Hello everyone, my name is Jagani Bhavna. I am Assistant Professor in Biochemistry Department, Sri MNN Virani Science College. I will give you the brief introduction about this course, Food Adulteration and Analysis. We know that every day we are taking food in our diet because at each and every moment we require the energy, and without energy we cannot survive. So we can say that the food is a fuel for us, and it's a very important point that we have to focus on our food because our health depends on what we eat in our diet. So it is truly said that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and this is the one data which is given by the Public Health Center. They said that the 2 crore people are suffering from the kidney disease, and 76% food available in the market are adulterated. So we can say that the nowadays the adulteration is the major problem in the society. So the main objective of this course is to protect the consumer. So for that purpose we are going to do the physical test, chemical test and microbial test in this course. Physical test means by physical observation we can check whether the foods are adulterated or not. In the chemical test we require the very simple chemicals. We can also perform the various chemical tests at our home, and in the microbial test we are going to check whether the food is edible or not, whether it is contaminated or not. We know that nowadays in our home the people are very interested in a spicy food. So we are going to check the spices, whether the spices available in the market are adulterated or not, because nowadays spices available in the market are adulterated with the synthetic color, and we should know that these synthetic color are carcinogenic. With the help of the physical test we are also going to check the various food sample, like we can say that whether the black pepper are adulterated with papaya seed or not. We are also going to do the physical test in sugar as well as the salt. We will also check whether the saffron available in the market is pure or it is adulterated with the corn hair. And we will also do the test in a oil, because nowadays the oil available in the market is adulterated with the argemone oil, and it's not a edible oil because it causes the one disease which is known as a epidemic dropsy. We are also going to check whether the jaggery available in the market is adulterated with the various adulterant like a soda, chalk powder or methanol yellow. So, in this value added course, we will check the various food samples. We will also check the cha, coffee. We can say that we are also going to check the whether the honey available in the market is adulterated with water or sugar is there or not. We will also check the milk product in this course, and we are also going to do the practicals on the milk, because nowadays the milk available in the market is adulterated with the more than 15 adulterants. So we will do the various practical on the milk as well as the milk product, because nowadays the milk products available in the market is adulterated with the starch powder as well as the non edible substance. We will also do the microbial test, in which we are going to check whether the food sample are contaminated or not. We will also learn the various adulterants in fruits and vegetables, because nowadays that is the major issue in the society. Fruit juice and fruits available in the market are also adulterated with the various adulterants. So it is truly said that nowadays, whatever the foods are available in the market, they are the adulterated. And we know that the food which we are taking in the diet, either it's a powerful medicine for us, or we can say that it's a slow poison for us. And ultimately, we can say that these all the adulterant it affect the various organ of the human body, and ultimately we can say that the adulterants can kill the people. So for that purpose, this is the content of the course. In that course we are going to check the various spices, milk product, fruit, sugar, oil and the various food grains. This is the list of the practical, and for this course you have to come 2 days per week. 40 hours are there in this course. 10 hours for the theory and 30 hours required for the practical, and at the end of the course we are going to take your exam. It take 1 hours. So this is the various practical which are done by the students, and with the help of this course you can do the various awareness program in the society, as well as you can do the various project in the schools. And this is the one slide which show that the students that got the special award in the Smart City Hackathon 2020, and students they got the gold medal in a national level symposium 2020 last year. And I also got the first rank in the poster presentation. So it's a very interesting course, and we should know that what happened nowadays in the market, the foods available in the markets are adulterated, whether it's edible or not. The future prospect of this course is students can carry out the research in the food adulteration, and there are the job opportunities in the food industries. So we have to learn about this adulteration, because nowadays the adulteration is the major issue in the society. So you can enjoy, you will learn the lot of the things in this course. So if you want to join this course, you can contact me in a biochemistry department. It is situated in the first floor on the Virani Science College. Thank you very much.